and breathe out. Let it go, let it go.
Oh.
Ooh. All right. Hello everyone, Dr. Boris Nektalov from Nektalov Chiropractic and Wellness. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax, relax. Nice. That was a good one. Hold it in, hold it in, hold it in. Good. Out, breathe out, breathe out. Beautiful. A good hug like this. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand under your back. Relax. Good, one more. Nice.
You guys had a great special going on.
Right.
For $99. A full examination with your x-ray, adjustment. I couldn't ask for more. That was a bargain.
Right.
So I didn't hesitate. I quickly dialed the phone, made an appointment. I remember meeting you. We went over my diagnosis after the x-ray. Everybody was so friendly. You were very gentle. I said, I think I found my place.